So here's one very big mistake I see a number of people do when they're about to start building their houses, and this has led to several losses of people's hard-earned money. I don't want you to repeat the same mistake, so pay attention here. Now, you do not want to skip talking to a quantity surveyor. When you talk to a quantity surveyor about your building project, they will tell you everything you need to know regarding cost of the build. So that if you're staging the build, for instance, say you want to build in the next 1 to 2 years, you're staging it, so you want to build in phases, okay, they will spell out how much it would cost you in total. They'll let you know how many blocks you need, how many bricks you need, how many bags of cement you need to buy. Everything will be spelled out in detail for you by the quantity surveyor that you will talk to. They'll develop what we call the bills of quantities for you. So it tells you everything you need to know from A to Z. Now, how this helps is that when you, for instance, give the bill to a contractor to start working on the project for you, and the contractor tries to be dishonest and, for instance, tells you, oh, you need 500 blocks for this particular phase of the build, yet you have a bills of quantities that says that you need 300 blocks, because you have something to reference to. What if in actual fact you do not need 300 blocks, right? You just need 200 blocks, and then they come and tell you, you need to buy 500 blocks. Because you do not have an idea, you just send the money to them, and then that's how you lose money. I see people do this mistake all the time. Need iron rods, I need 100 bags of cement, then you just go and buy. How sure are you that it's indeed 100 bags of cement that you need? So please, just get a quantity surveyor to draw up a bill of quantities for you before you start your building project. And you come back and thank me later. My name is Sophia Puswa. Subscribe for more. Bye.